Getting the most out of your investment property isn't just about collecting rent. It's about strategic management that adds value over time. Hi, I'm Amit Grover, and you're tuned into ECMP Studios. Today, we're focusing on how our team helps landlords maximize rental income and streamline property management. First, let's talk about optimizing rental rates. Just like fine-tuning a performance car for the best speed, we adjust your rental prices based on market dynamics and property value, ensuring you earn top dollar while maintaining high occupancy rates. Effective property management is next. This isn't just about fixing things when they break. It's about preventative maintenance that keeps the cost down and satisfaction high. Our approach includes regular inspections and updates, which not only preserve but often enhance the property's value. Then there is tenant retention, a key to stable income. We build strong relationships with tenants through timely communication and responsive service, making them want to stay longer. Happy tenants means fewer vacancies and a more reliable income stream. Finally, we leverage technology to keep things running smoothly. From digital rent collection to online maintenance requests, we use modern tools to enhance efficiencies and accessibility, making property management hassle-free for both landlords and tenants. Next time, we will explore navigating lease negotiations and tenant rights, vital knowledge for keeping your investments secure and profitable. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Have insights or questions about maximizing rental income? Comment below. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay